The heat pump is running again. Now, if you look through this row of louvers right here, you can see the lines. Just gonna stand out here for a little while and see what happens. And the thermostat is still set to 70 degrees. Does not seem to be frozen right now. I can see right down there, it doesn't seem to be frozen. But I guess I'll just wait it out. The copper lines behind this panel look like they're starting to crystallize. First I thought that was one of the electrical wires, but the copper tubing back here is starting to crystallize. Plus it's going to be below freezing tomorrow, so if I don't get a good defrost cycle tonight, get up bright and early tomorrow and videotape it. Yeah, that coil back there is that a coil? Oh yeah, that's definitely a coil. It's starting to freeze up back there. There is a dull yellow wire running across the top right here. And then there is a copper line back there that appears to be frozen over. I don't know for sure if it's frozen over, but oh yeah, it's definitely frozen over. Trane heat pumps have like that intricate webbing of copper tubing behind this access panel here. Yeah, it's definitely starting to freeze up. At least part of it is. The reversing valve is right there, I can see it. aren't frozen up yet, but the copper tubing is. And the copper tubes running in and out of the compressor are not frozen up yet either. Hopefully it will defrost before it meets the temperature demand on the thermostat. Because there are a couple parts of the tubing that are just really frozen over. And I think it is about 38 degrees right now. Probably a little bit colder with the wind chill. I'll be back in a minute. There is a section of copper tubing back there that is like pure white now. Don't know if you can really see it. There it is, you can see it right there. Oh yeah, it's really starting to frost over now. Slowly but surely, it's starting to freeze up. And then it just totally shut off, and then I am pretty sure it will kick back on momentarily and start defrosting. Let's see what happens. That's what I missed last time. It shut off for like a brief period of time and I did not have the camera running, and then it kicked back on in defrost mode. Here it goes. Yep, here it goes. I think it's going to do that. There's the hissing noise I was talking about. You know what, maybe the thing just shut off. There's like a squeaking slash hissing slash crinkling noise. And oh yeah, it's still frozen over. Huh. Going to try one last time to get a video of it defrosting tonight before I call it quits and wait until tomorrow. And it is frozen up again. 29 degrees with a wind chill of 35. And if I get up tomorrow morning at the right time, it'll be prime defrost weather tomorrow at about 7, 8, 9 in the morning. It's going to be at like 30 degrees with a wind chill of 25. Yeah, coils are definitely frozen, but it's only like the inner coils. The outer coils, like around the reversing valve, are not frozen. See that yellow wire vibrating around in there? There is one of the frosty lines. And then, whether it defrosts or not, when it turns off, it seems to just melt away. At least that's what happened last time. Don't want to sit down there, it's all moist. I am like leaning up against the house behind the heat pump here. Alright, I'm going to shut off the camera for a second, see what happens. Because I have plenty of battery left, it's just that in HD mode I only have so much recording time. I'll be back.